Hello guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Today is a sunny day and I am on my way to Amazon in Portadown here to pick up my delivery, which is 3.5 hour delivery. 3.5 hour delivery for 80 pounds. So that's good deal, sort of. It's good deal for me. So today is gonna be a nice day, hopefully nice delivery. So far it is a sunny day and I am here on time exactly. I should arrive 15 minutes earlier, and now the time is 3:45 p.m. I should arrive like around 3 o'clock. No, I'm sorry. I have a problem to pronounce the timing, or to tell the time, exactly. Anyway, I should arrive here 3 p.m. I should arrive here 3:30. Sorry, I should arrive here 3:30. And I am already here. Ready to pick up my delivery. Really, I hope it's gonna be a nice delivery. As I said, it is 3.5 hours. 3.5 hour delivery, and it is for 80 pounds. To be precise, it is for 80 pounds 50B. Newry, you go to Ghana?
Yeah. How many hours?
3.5, you?
3.5.
Also?
But I spent 1.5.
How much is it, the delivery for? You know? This one is 80 pounds?
Yeah, 81.
Alright guys, I have just finished picking up my delivery and I arrived on time exactly. I shouldn't arrive on time, I should arrive like 15 minutes earlier, and the delivery supposed to be picked up 3:30, and I arrived 3:45, so it's a little bit late, but I made it eventually. And the delivery is gonna be in the road between Banbridge, I think, to Newry. Newry is a city or a town beside the border between Northern Ireland and Republic of Ireland. Anyway, it's very hot today. I need to wash my face, and then I'm gonna see you there in the first delivery. See ya.